Okay, guys. Day 7 of being quarantined. We will be cooking some Japanese souffle pancakes. Yeah, so let's tie our hair first. Ate. Yeah, support my career. I'll be a YouTuber star. Wait, let's tie our hair first. And then we will be washing our hands.
Wash your hands, I'm like Brandon. I see you. I'll be washing my hands. Wash. Okay, now we wash. Okay. We will now be preparing our ingredients. Okay. Let's go to the kitchen. But we need some eggs. We need some... What's this empty also? What do you mean? No, get some bowls. We get some bowls. Let's go up on my face. Okay. Now we get some bowls. We need 2 bowls. Okay, gosh, no, this is the wrong bowl. Where is this? Okay.
Now we have 2 bowls. What we do is we get we get a fork. We get a fork. Okay. So what we do? Oh gosh, may sugar tayo dyan. Actually, we have pancake mix, but we're not gonna use that. Okay. Hey friends. We have
friends.
So what we'll do is we'll separate the egg whites from the egg yolks, baby. Oh gosh.
Alright, take that part down. Oh my gosh. Mom! Okay, it's okay. Gosh. What is it? Okay, so we're gonna separate it. Now it's separated. If you look at that, it's just... Yeah, by sugar. Okay. Chef, pero I'm gonna separate it. It's in the recipe. Okay. So we're almost done. Just let me be, Ma. Let me be. Okay. So we're gonna take it out.
Oh gosh, it broke. It's okay. So we're gonna
Separate this also. Oh Lord. Oh! The egg broke.
egg broke. Oh Lord, what am I gonna do now? No, it's not supposed to go there. Can I set? Then let's make another one. Gosh, we are falling behind. It's okay. It's been 4 minutes and it's good yang. Look, let's separate the egg yolks. Timatit kasi.
Kasalan pa, ikaw ang
Separated 4. Okay. So what do we do? I washed my hands. Did you wash your hands? Let me wash them again. Thank you, Ate Matet, for being so good. Pero don't be mad at me na eh. I'm not saying naman na you're mad. Okay, so... Oh gosh, we put too much, but it's okay. Oh Lord. Okay, it's okay. Okay, it's okay.
Ang gagawin ko dito sa
Wait lang. Wait for me. I'm not done.
Okay.
Enough. Now I put some drops of vanilla. Okay. So we just... Oh gosh. We put a little bit of vanilla. I think I put too much. Don't be like Brandon. Brandon, I see you. Okay, so where's it?
In a bowl where you're supposed to hand mix. Wait, gosh, I need to drop this. Okay, so we're gonna transfer it here because the hand mixer's over here. Okay, I found it. Okay, so I'm gonna this. No, this one's a better view. Oh yes, mommy. Oh gosh. Okay, and now we plug. What is this? We plug our. We don't have a plug.
We gotta transfer this, our egg whites, to the bowl, the big bowl, and then we put some. I'm so done. Okay, so, oh Lord. Okay. what we're supposed to do is, how do you open this? How do you make this go down?
Diyos ko, Lord.
Okay. Ate, is this nice? Is this okay? Am I supposed to do it? Oh, we're supposed to cut it off. Oh, okay. Ate, do that again. Okay, so you do that. Okay. Shut up. I'm independent. Oh, Lord. Okay, that's nice. And not secure. I don't know.
May, paano to, May?
As you can see, I'm not the cook of the family.
May. Si May kasi hindi naman yan minsan nilalagay dyan.
Yeah, why do we even need to put it there? We just need a bowl and a mixer. Go away. We don't need you. Okay, so what we... As you can see, that's what it looks like now, but I think it needs to be a little more fluffy because it has bubbles. Now we're gonna put a little bit of salt, just a pinch. We're supposed to put a little bit of lemon. And we're gonna put some. Agari. We were supposed to fold this in. Remember our egg yolks? We need to put some flour. Ate flour. Okay, that's enough. Sift some flour into our mixture.
The flour is a disgrace. Look at all those solid particles. Maybe are solid particles.
I think I added too much flour. I'm gonna put some oil later. No, we're not supposed to. I'm gonna put some. I made it. Let's just put some water. And I put a little bit of water because our mixture is a fail. Okay, so we put some water now. Okay. I think we should add more water. Okay, no. Okay, that looks nice. Now let's add our... Okay, that looks pretty decent. Okay, that looks okay. That looks nice. That looks okay. That's okay. Now let's put our fold in it a bit. Just add small batches at a time and let it fold in. Oh gosh, I shouldn't have not added water. Oh Lord, now it's creamy. Oh gosh, everything's falling apart. Never should have added water. No, it's okay. It's okay. But it's okay, it's okay. Now our mixture's just liquidy. I never should have added water. Never should have. You should. Gosh, no, don't add water. Adding water makes your life. Oh, don't stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is not for you. Okay, it's okay. Come on, let's start cooking. Ate, I think I did something bad. I never should have added water, and I added water. But like, okay, let's start cooking. Gonna put a little bit because Ate's gonna be mad at us if we don't put a little bit. Okay, we're gonna put that much. Oh, I didn't do anything. Oh, I underestimate. Oh gosh, I put some. It's okay. Oh, okay, it's okay. That looks nice and even. Okay, let's just even it out. Oh gosh, the flame's too high. Oh gosh, I turned it on to okay, medium. That's medium. Oh no, it's higher. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's Gucci game. Is it hot? It's hot. It's not hot. Whatever. It's just the first time making pancakes. We'll never know. Ate added water. It's not supposed to be added. I was like, oh, it's too chunky. Okay, I need the better end. Okay, so now we're gonna cook.
Oh,
We're gonna cook. No, you're not supposed to add water. That's what I did wrong.
ano pa?
You might look at the oil. It's so weird.
Ang dami ng oil.
Ay, sabi mo kasi lagyan natin ng oil.
Siyempre yung pag nagpo-pancake, hindi naman sobrang ganyan na.
Sorry. Gotta drain some excess oil. Okay, is that good? Yeah. No, it's too much. I added too much oil. So,
Pinapahiran mo lang siya ng
okay na yan.
Malapit mo.
Wait lang. Okay, so, here. Okay, it looks decent. Okay, the pancake looks decent. Look at it, wait lang. Let me just show my followers. Okay, so that looks decent. Okay, that looks
Ay,
nice.
nag-vlog na siya.
Okay, so, tarikantan natin. Ano ka ba? I still do TikTok. So, what do you mean? Can I use this? In this new pan?
No.
Okay, no, don't use that. Fine. Let me use this one. Let's add this some arte. Oh gosh, we're gonna flip it. We're gonna flip it. Look at me flipping it. It's so perfect. Look at that. Okay, look at that. Oh! Oh, you never. Oh! Gosh, you gotta. Oh! Okay. You gotta love me for this.
Huwag mo na like yung oil.
Okay then. We got one done. Oh gosh, perfect pancakes. Oh gosh, I'm so good. I'm gonna be a cook soon. Gordon Ramsay, follow me. Okay, so this kind of looks good. So just wait. Making some pancake. Ooh, our pancake's good, but it smells weird. And I think pancakes are supposed to smell like this. If you look at it, it actually looks decent. But I mean, okay, flipping it. Oh gosh, I'm so good at this. Y'all could never. Brandon, taking over your channel.
Isa-isa lang kasi.
I'm sorry. Oh gosh, I did something boo. Look, I tried to do twice, and then, oh gosh, I ruined one pancake. It's okay. It's just one pancake. What's it gonna do to our environment? Okay, so last one, last baby pancake. This is gonna be small one lang kasi we ran out of batter. Oh, baby pancake. This will be mine. Baby pancake. Baby pancake. So that's done. We're done. Okay. Supposed to say. Oh gosh, we're done. We are done. Now let's taste test. We will taste test our pancakes. Let me just tell you that was a hard experience. Hi. So I will taste the baby pan. Oh, it's hot. We're gonna kamay it, cause we're barbarians. Okay. So actually, it looks so. It's so good.
May ikaw na.
Ang sarap. Oh my gosh, ate, taste this. Come on. It's just a little bit cakey, but it's okay. Good, ah? It's actually nice. The pancake. Pancakes. Actually, did good. Ang sarap ng pancake ko. Tatipan mo nga. Okay. Ooh. Let me mom to taste it. Where's Mama?
Sleeping.
No, she needs to wake up. Okay. Mimi, taste my pancakes. What does it taste like? Tastes nice. It tastes nice. It tastes nice. Don't listen to her. It's good pancakes. Okay, bye.